as I've gotten older, I have found that I get more sore and tight muscles when I work out. It doesn't hurt that sometimes I will take months off and then decide to go really hard. And so I was recommended to get this exercise roller by my physical therapist. This is great for runners or anyone doing aerobic exercises, specifically for your legs and your back, any tight points. Love this. So I got the 18-inch roller. I've had this for 5 years. It's like new. It is very solid. My kids love playing with it. They'll often just sit on it like a seat or just roll around with it. But let me show you my favorite moves on it. I'll just put it down. One of my favorites, the calves. This part gets really tight, so you just roll back and forth like that. And of course, you're gonna do the same thing on your thighs, doing a roll like this. When I was running, I was getting really tight knees, specifically this knee. I started actually having trouble where this muscle was too tight and my kneecap was moving and it was causing pretty intense pain. So this is where I really need the roller to get this muscle loosened out, and it works wonders like this. It's actually still to this day a little painful for me to do this one. And you can keep moving up. You can do really anything with this roller. It's using your body weight to stretch out your muscles. Great on the legs. You can move up and even get into your back with it. It's a really great roller. And if you are looking to get some more stretching in and help loosen up some muscles, I strongly recommend this.